And so after more than $100 million and nearly a decade later, the mall at Steamtown is finally open. It's a day for city boosters to brag, to taste success. Their task now is to keep the momentum going.
What's going on, everybody? Arty here with Explodes. We are at the Steamtown Mall here in Scranton, Pennsylvania, and we're actually over the train yard right now. It's a little observation deck. It's the backside of the mall. We're gonna go inside the mall and explore and check out this possibly dead mall here in Scranton. Let's check it out. Ooh, Henry, look at the glass. Whee! Whew. Looking at all the trains. What's the train say? Alright, so that was our tour of Marketplace at Steamtown, formerly the Steamtown Mall, built in 1993. Clearly a very dead mall, and not doing very well. And it seems odd because I guess the whole area is pretty much hit or miss down there in Scranton. You would think that there's some life down there and a lot of potential of that mall and everything like that, but very interesting walking through that place. They had some live music playing when we left. They have a little aquarium inside there, as you've seen. But other than that, there wasn't much going on over there, and it's in a pretty decent location too. But there you go. How long would this mall be around? Who knows what they're gonna do with it. It seemed like in the backup area where they had like the walkway to the trains. It's a cool little area. They put some restaurants and some dining and stuff. So I think if they brought some restaurants and some nightlife into the place, they could actually liven it up a little bit, right? Not depend so much on the stores. But so that was our tour. Hope you guys enjoyed us. Leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.